Hey everyone and welcome back to Auto Ritz. Today we're diving into the world of American muscle with a closer look at the 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Buckle up, because this beast is ready to make some noise. The Hellcat maintains its aggressive stance with a few modern tweaks. The front grille has been redesigned for better airflow, and the aggressive hood scoop not only looks mean but also helps with engine cooling. New LED headlights and taillights add a sleek contemporary touch, while the bold Hellcat badging lets everyone know this isn't your average Challenger. Interior design. The 2025 Hellcat Dodge has blended performance with luxury in this cockpit. The interior features premium leather-trimmed seats with optional suede inserts for added comfort and style. The centerpiece is the new 2.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by the latest Uconnect 5 software, offering seamless connectivity and intuitive controls. You'll also find a fully customizable digital driver display that keeps all your performance metrics right in front of you. Performance. Under the hood, it features a 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 engine, delivering a staggering 797 horsepower and 707 lb-ft of torque. This translates to a blistering 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.4 seconds and a top speed approaching 200 mph. The upgraded suspension system with adaptive dampers and enhanced handling dynamics ensures precise control even at high speeds. Whether you're on the track or the open road, the Hellcat delivers a driving experience that's as exhilarating as it is powerful. Safety isn't overlooked in the 2025 Hellcat. Even with its performance-oriented design, it comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. The new model also integrates an updated 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility and parking assistance. The 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat is a thrilling blend of raw power, cutting-edge technology, and bold design. It offers unparalleled performance with its supercharged V8, a luxurious and driver-focused interior, and a suite of advanced safety features that ensure peace of mind. Whether you're a muscle car aficionado or just someone who appreciates a high-performance ride, the Hellcat is set to impress. Thanks for watching in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.